Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to add a cloud extension or repositories into your Cloudstream here, this one's fairly easy. So we want to open up Cloudstream and you want to go and click on the gear icon that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now, on the next screen here, what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the add repository option that you see at the bottom right of your screen here. And once you've done that, it's going to ask for the following information. So first is you need to add the repository name. Now, it is recommended that you add the repository name here, whatever the extension repository is going to be. And you want to add the URL or shortcode for that repository. So what are you exactly going to add? What URL? Well, this one is fairly simple to find. Now, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and open up any browser and you just need to type in the following. It's going to be Cloudstream extensions. Now, you should find Cloudstream repositories and extensions, so cloudstream-apk.com, but you could also use Cloudstream wiki. So let's go open up one of those links. Now, in here, you should be able to see different repositories and also their link, as you can see right now. Now, if you want to use that, you want to go ahead and just basically copy the link for it. So in this case, let's go and press and hold on it. You want to go and click on the copy link address. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and head over back into Cloudstream and just paste the link that we just got before. And from then on, you should be able to add that extension or repository into Cloudstream. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.